Hold on. I know it's so exciting. You gotta let me open it. Hold on. Hold on, let's get your baby out. Let's get that baby. Oh, get that baby. She's not
Do you
out
want
yet.
that baby?
She's not out yet. Oh, you want her so bad. I'm doing that part.
Okay, I'll take this. Come and get it, Lucy.
Lucy, come get your baby. Oh, still tied up. Just kidding. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. Oh, you want your baby? You want your baby? Oh, get the baby.
Yay!
Yay.
Baby to drag off. You gonna bring it back? Or just get it up on the counter?